Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm just here to bring you your daily SPC outlooks. Before we actually even get to the SPC outlooks, we have some pretty crazy storms going down in the South Dakota area. As you can see, we have lots of 70-mile-an-hour winds. Some observed, some radar indicated, but still either way, they're 70-mile-an-hour winds. And we have a 80-mile-an-hour winds EDS severe thunderstorm warning. We will be going live, but not for this. If you are in the severe thunderstorm warning, do take cover. This is a huge severe thunderstorm warning and almost tornado winds. Now, I don't see any rotation. If there's any, there's going to be broad, so I wouldn't expect a tornado with it. Well, actually, I don't know if this is a glitch, but I'm seeing a spot of 75 to 20. 95 gate to gate. Seeing a spot of 79.4 to 4.5. Really, really broad, if there's any. Oh, that severe thunderstorm warning updated, now observed. Lots of stuff getting updated. But we're going to go over to the outlooks now. We are in a day 1 with 2 spots of slight risk. Day 2 with 2 spots of marginal. And a day 3 with 2 spots of marginal as well. Going over to the tornado risk, today we have a day 1 2% and a 5% tornado risk for the Wisconsin, Minnesota, and slight parts of Michigan. And we have no data for tomorrow for a tornado risk. Today we have a large 15% wind risk and a 2 spots of 5% wind risk. Tomorrow we have a large mesoscale discussion issued concerning heavy rainfall. Then we have tomorrow we have a 5% hail risk. For probabilistic, we have 2 spots for that day 3, which is the marginals we saw on the day 3. Nothing for day 4 and day 5. We do have another tropical disturbance for day 2 and day 7, both 10% lows. And a 0% and 30% tropical disturbance. Heat advisories, small craft advisories there. Oh yeah. This might develop into something. Other than that, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. We will probably be going live later today. So just stay tuned for that. But otherwise, that's all I have for you. Bye-bye.